In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a Xero account, full 2025 guide. If you've been experimenting in Xero's demo company and want a clean slate, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to return the demo data to its original state. This is great when your sample invoices, bills, or settings have gotten messy and you want to start fresh without touching any real business data. First, sign into Xero and head to your main dashboard. This is the hub you see after logging in, and it's where we'll begin. Make sure you're on the dashboard view so the profile menu is easy to access. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. Depending on your setup, this might appear as your avatar or initials. Opening this menu gives you quick access to personal and account controls. From that profile menu, choose Account. This takes you to your Xero identity and account settings area. It's a central place where Xero manages your profile, security, and related account options that apply across your organizations. Once you're in the account area, click Home. Think of this as returning to the Account Home Hub, where links to your organizations and key actions are gathered. It's the easiest way to get back to the overview that includes your demo company options. Now, look for the Reset option. This is the control that prepares the demo environment for a full refresh. A quick note here, resetting only affects the demo company's test data. It does not delete or change your live organizations or any genuine accounting records. That's why this is a safe way to practice, learn, and try new workflows. To complete the process, click Reset Demo. Xero may display a brief message letting you know what will happen. Go ahead and proceed to finalize the reset. The system will clear your changes and restore the sample contacts, accounts, invoices, bills, and reports back to their original out-of-the-box state. After a short moment, you'll be back in the demo environment with fresh data, ready to explore features, rehearse processes, or teach teammates without worry. If you don't see the reset option, you may be viewing a live organization instead of the demo one, or you might not have the necessary access. Switch back to the demo company and try again. Also, remember that the reset is for the demo only, so it's deliberately separated from live organization settings. And that's it. You've learned how to navigate from your dashboard, open your account area, return to the Home Hub, and reset the Xero demo to a clean starting point.